Hello everyone. Here I want to talk about ISPCONFIG. ISPCONFIG is a control panel similar to direct admin and cPanel. It's pretty much simpler, but it can do everything for you, such as client management. You can have sites at your sites that usually use PHP. It has email servers. You can set your emails, mailbox, mail domains, and also you can easily add and manage your DNS records. I am using this panel for many years, and it is very good for simple tasks. So consider using it, and it can be installed easily with a complete automatic script.